Good day, everybody. This is Dr. Marcel Hattingh. We are talking human capital investment. All around us, everybody seems to be chatting about the whole impact of Industry 4.0, or better known as the fourth industrial revolution. But apart from the automation, the blockchain, all the Internet of Things and the technologies that we are seeing, the question is, how do we best invest within our human capital within this space? What is the impact on our people, and how will our people deal with this changing environment? Research has shown us that during the time of the 1700s, when the first industrial revolution took place, the average life pace and what they call the VUCA impact, that stands for volatility, uncertainty, complexity and ambiguity, increased for the average citizen with a factor of about 10 times. Moving into the late 1800s and the second industrial revolution, we saw that figure going up as high as 25 times impact. The third industrial revolution in the 1960s caused that to go up as high as 50 times the impact on the pace of life and the VUCA of people's lives. Now that we are heading towards the fourth industrial revolution, they say the minimum impact on the average citizen will be as high as 100 times. To give you a metaphor, many people within the context of South Africa are quite familiar with going down to the beach at Jeffreys Bay to do a bit of surfing time over the holiday period. Surfing the waves of Jeffreys Bay for an immature average a surfer can be quite a challenge, but for any professional person, this would be the perfect spot to do that. The change within the environment of Industry 3 can be compared to a more mature kind of surfer and how they transition. However, the story goes that on the shores of Hawaii and some offshores near the United States, there are waves that are as high as 30 or 40 meters. When a person goes out to surf those waves, the only way they actually survive if they've fallen off the surfboard is to literally send in a jet ski, pick them up and pull them out before the next wave come in. This is the kind of picture that we're seeing within Industry 4. There's such a rapid onset of changing technologies and changing methodologies that if somebody do not have the ability to adapt as quickly as sending in a jet ski to pull them out, somebody might be out of business within 1 or 2 years. A whole industry, for that matter, might change within a very short span of time. All of this is an increased amount of stress, increased amount of strain and tension that our people experience on a day-to-day basis. I want to leave you with these questions. Currently, how is your organization and leadership gearing up to support your people through this rapid onset of change? What are your methodologies, and what are you busy thinking of creatively to stimulate your environment in order that your people will not just remain on the surfboard, but if they should fall off, how can you best practice ideas that can pull them out before the entire organization sink? Thank you very much.